Number 4, we're going to solve the following system of inequalities graphically. On the set of axes below, state the coordinate of a point in the solution set. Remember, please to shade. The reason why we need a shade is because these are all inequalities. So let's start by graphing A. I'm going to graph A with the color red. So I go to the slope in the y-intercept, which is -1. And I know that the slope is going to be -1/1. So I go down 1 across 1, okay? Once I have this, I can now do my lines. And I know that these are all solids because because of the less than or equal to symbol, okay? Next, I have the blue one, which is the second one. I know that the y-intercept here is -4 and the slope is 2/1. I go up 2 across 1, up 2 across 1, up 2 across 1. I can actually really connect it, but it is going to be with a dash, okay? And the reason why is because it is just greater than without the bar on. Okay, now I have to shade. Okay, the idea of shading is you always want to shade on the side that is true. So you want to test the point 0, 0. All right, test that point. So let's go back to the red one. We plug in a 0 and we plug in a 0. Is this true? Is 0 greater than -1? That is correct. So this side here is true because it's towards the side that is true. So this is true, so we go towards it. Then let's do the blue one. We plug in a 0 for the y and a 0 for the x. Is this true? 0 is greater than -4, so we put true, so we go also towards it. And this would be the towards it. So red and blue makes purple, so I'm going to be putting purple as the solution set. So the purple area would be the solution set. I can say purple area is the solution set. And a point that is in that solution set, I can say maybe 0, 2 is in that solution set, so that would be a valid point. All right, let's do B. Same process here. I'm going to graph the first one as red. The y-intercept is 5. We go down 1 across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, because that is the y-intercept and the slope is -1/5. Here it's a solid line because of the greater than and equal to symbol. Once we have that, we can now do the blue. The y-intercept for the blue one is -6 and the slope here is 2/1, so we go up 2 across 1, up 2 across 1. Okay, and then that is also going to be with a dashed line because there is no equal to on the symbol. Now we can test that point here of 0, 0. So we plug in 0 for the y, 0 for the x, and let's see if this is true. Is 0, is 5 greater than 0? Okay, right? Because here it was 0 greater than the -1, right? This is 0 we can say 0 is less than 5 or 5 greater than 0, and this is true. Okay, so we shades towards it. So this is the red, so this is the true side, so this is going to be red. Okay. Everything here is true. Now let's do the blue side. We're going to plug in 0, 0 here. And let's see if this is true. Is 0 less than -6? This is false. So we shade away. So do you see blue? 0, 0 would be towards, so we have to shade away from it. Okay, and that is everything away from it. So the solution set is going to be that intersection of the red and the blue. So it's everything here, right? This is everything that has a intersection. So anything in this region area, the purple area, is the solution set. And anything here would be a valid solution. So probably what I can say 10, negative 10 is a valid solution here.